Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the cry filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, here you will see a search button. Just tap there and search for cry. Okay, remember this image, the first one that I'm going to use. Okay, so this is the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then you can go to discover, and here you can search for cry filter. Okay, here you will see many videos. Okay, just look for this one, the second one. Tap on it.
I'm super yellow, as you can see.
Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and again you will be directed to the effect page. Now here tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.